Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to create a tabular report by using a page and details option in the Ssrs wizard. So first of all, I have a table like student details table. In this I have the data like student ID, student name and student brand. This is a table which I am going to make it as a report by using student branch as an each page level, like each in each branch how many students are there, the details of that will be displaying in the report. That is like EIE in the name of student branch EIE, like how many students are there. In this table we can see two students are there in EIE branch. ECE we have one. So in page wise, like in the first page we'll get EIE, in the second page we get IT students details. Like that I want to make a SSRS report. So for that I am going to create a new SSRS. So new project. Here I am going to select as a report server project wizard, and the project name will be student details underscore. I am giving as a branch wise. Okay, this will be the project name. I'm going to create that one. So here what select the data source. So like what is this data source which I'm going to create. So for that I'm in my SQL server. So yeah, I'm going to take my server name. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste over here. Mine it is an SQL server authentication, so I'm giving my username and password. And I'm going to select my database, student warehouse database. So hit OK, then next, and again it's asking my username and password for that. So here I'm going to write as a query builder. So I'm going to select star from student details table. So this is where I am getting the data like student select, student ID, student name, student branch from student details table. So next this is a tabular report which I want. This report should be in a tabular format, and then here we can see in a page wise, like each page wise, like I am going to select student branch as a page wise, like each page the student branch will be coming, and in that we'll be getting this other details. So student ID and student name will be getting. So this is how like each student branch, for each branch I'm getting those details. So hit OK. Here I'm going to write as a student details. So preview the report, then finish. If you see here, after getting this, so I'm going to give like a username and password. View report, I'm going to see first CSC. I have only one student. If you want to go and see here, we can see here CSC we have only one student, Lalita. Here we got, and again if we page down, ECE we have only one, Bhavana. See Bhavana ECE we have only one, and the next page down, EIE we have two, yeah, like Archana and Santosh. So I have two details and two students details, and then page down and IT we have Hari. We have only one student in that particular branch. So this is how we are getting the report as a page wise, like in particular page we will get only those details. So that is how we have done here. If we go to design, so this is a design in which we have. So here what we can do, we can go for text box properties and we can do like whatever the alignment, like this is an alignment in default is there, so I'm going to change it as a center and middle, and the font will be I'm going to, we can give it like a bold and the font size will be 20. So and we can select the color also. I'm going to give green. So and then border, and border also I can select dashed. I am going to select dash, and the outline and the width I'm going to give 2 points, and the color is already I have given green, so I am be giving yellow. So after we can select here. So all the yellow is dotted lines we got. So this is how, and again the filling we can use, and there is no color is there, so I'm going to do like light color. So hit OK. So this is how, like if you go and preview this, see all that. So see, this is how we can see this details. So see all the branch details, it has come to center, and the color dotted lines and those and all we got it actually. So this is how we can like we can edit those, we can design those things, and we can display our report, how we can look and feel, the kind of things we can do in this particular for every column and every row we can go and change this text box properties. Here we can change whatever how we want to look the report or kind of thing, what is the required thing we can do. So this is a simple report where I have done in a page wise report I have created using this Ssrs. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you for listening.